The FLIR BNVD binocular incorporates the best night vision features all in one unit. Before we get started showing you all the awesome features, we need to turn on the unit and make just a few adjustments to optimize the use of your equipment. The first step is to use the turn-pull operating switch. Go one click and the BNVD will be in the on position. To activate the built-in infrared illuminator, simply pull the switch out, turn it one more click to the IR position. You'll know that the IR illuminator is activated because you're going to see red LEDs glowing up at about 2 o'clock inside both eyepieces. These same LED indicators, they're going to turn green when the unit's tubes are exposed to excessive levels of light. They're also going to flash red when your batteries are starting to run low. Now you're ready to adjust the unit's diopter so that the image can be optimized for sharpness. The sharpness can be adjusted for each individual's eyesight. Left eye, right eye, same thing. All right? Do not forget to adjust the focus rings up on the front so that the objects can be in focus. Counterclockwise for far focus, clockwise for near focus. For symmetrical field of view and eye comfort, adjust the distance between those two eyepieces. Now we're ready to look at what makes this unit really best in class. Let's start with the wide 51-degree field of view, which allows for a greater field of vision and much faster detection of a threat. The binocular can be used as binoculars, as a monocular, can also be mounted on a helmet or a head harness as a set of goggles. Our primary reason for using night vision is to not stand out. Since we're talking about being covert here, the single gain control knob is another great product feature. It adjusts the intensity of that light emitting from the viewing tubes. For long missions and extended observation periods, this unit can run up to 20 hours on a single AA battery or CR123. So it's easy to find extra batteries in a pinch. The operator can even extend that use all the way up to 80 hours by using the optional battery pack. And if you're out in the field that long, you need to be prepared for the elements. The FLIR BNVD is water and fog resistant. Another great feature is the built-in infrared illuminator, which enhances night vision and enables reading in the dark. As you would expect, FLIR provides an extensive set of accessories to fit every mission. First one I want to talk about is the 3x afocal lens kit. Convert your dual tube goggle into a night vision binocular with 3 times normal magnification. For hands-free use, the BNVD can be installed to several mounts, including the mini rail interface on different kinds of helmets and head harnesses. You may find yourself in any one of the different corners of the world, and in many cases away from civilization where self-sufficiency is critical. A big part of that self-sufficiency is batteries for your night vision. Our battery pack kit will extend you to 80 hours of night vision power. For the absolute worst environmental conditions, a pair of demist shields to protect the ocular lenses and a pair of sacrificial lenses to preserve the objective lenses are included with each unit. The new FLIR BNVD binocular, the best night vision features, including a 51-degree field of view, all in one unit.